The P0014 code means the ECM has detected that the exhaust camshaft on bank 1 is more advanced than it should be. In a V-type engine like a V6 or V8, bank 1 is the side of the engine where cylinder number 1 is located. For inline engines like 4-cylinder engines, the whole engine is considered bank 1 because there's only one row of cylinders. The first cause could be a faulty VVT solenoid. This solenoid controls oil flow to the camshaft actuator. If it's sticking or failing electrically, the cam timing can advance too far and trigger the code. The second cause could be dirty or low engine oil. VVT systems rely on clean, pressurized oil to move the camshaft. If your oil is old or low, the system won't function correctly, even if the solenoid is good. The third cause could be a clogged or defective camshaft actuator. This is the part that physically moves the camshaft. If it's jammed or slow to respond, timing can advance too much and set the P0014 code. The fourth cause could be a faulty camshaft position sensor. If the sensor sends inaccurate data, the ECM might think the camshaft is too advanced even if mechanically it's correct. The fifth cause could be wiring or connector issues going to the VVT solenoid or camshaft sensor. A corroded plug, broken wire, or bad connection can cause inaccurate readings and set the P0014 code. The sixth cause could be a stretched timing chain or jump timing. If mechanical timing is off, the camshaft position won't match what the ECM expects even if the VVT system is working fine. If you've dealt with this code before, drop a comment down below and share how you fixed it. It could help someone else out.